to another video. It's your girl Shade. It's my friend Rochelle. It's my other friend Margie, and today we are back with another video. So guys, as you can see by the title, we will be doing the Song Association Challenge. So how we will be doing it is we have Colette behind the scenes. She's right behind the camera. Say good evening, Colette.
Good evening, guys.
Alright, so what she will be doing is giving us words, and we have our buzzer right here. So the first person to tap it gets the chance to sing the song that has the word that Colette gave us. Alright? So that's basically the essence of the game. So, you know, we're hungry, so while we are playing a little game also, I'm gonna bust two little guests and just have a vibe. Alright, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you are team Margie. Woo! Are you team Rochelle? Woo! You know that was one because everybody didn't know, so everybody is team Shade. Alright guys, so we're ready. Colette, you ready?
Long time.
Who do you think will win? Comment down below before the video even start, guys. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification. Everybody just leave a comment down below, and remember, press up the like button, murder it. Alright, let's go. Colette, when you're ready.
Alright, so the first word is same.
Rochelle on. You have 5 seconds. Once you press the something. 5.
Same girl.
4.
Same girl. No. I don't know the rest. Same girl. Let me can't Google it.
No, she never asked you for the title and the song. You need to sing.
No, you're
sing
not
the line.
like, no.
Sing one line.
Same
One line
girl.
of the song.
Same girl. Something.
No.
No. I don't know the one.
Same girl. Same girl.
The song like the all-time song. Same girl.
I know the song.
Okay, good. You know the song, so alright. Move on.
The same girl. Them there with the same girl.
All them older than me, guys.
Song still didn't make when you're born here. Ready. Next question.
Alright.
So Rochelle get 1 point.
Alright, so the next word is heart.
Heart.
Heart as in H-E-A-R-T or
Yes,
A-R-T.
heart.
4.
Wait, what you say? Heart as in love.
Yes,
Alright.
heart. 3.
No, where we go? Where we go? Heart attack. Oh. Three songs.
And you can't sing no other when you do.
It comes when you love. It comes like a heart attack. No, someone goes
Sing the song.
heart attack.
You don't know the song,
I
right?
don't know the song name.
Heart attack by 3 songs. You know it, Magic. Cause you're a song them day when you're young. Ready, guys? Me get my points. Alright, from now on, we don't need to do the song name.
You're welcome. My turn.
Home.
No, I'm not too close to the buzzer.
Alright, next
Okay.
word. Run.
No. Go ahead.
bro. No, go on.
Go ahead, I don't know.
You've got to run this race. Woo! Keep the faith.
Alright.
Gospel song.
Okay.
Alright, so 1 point for Margie.
Alright, me done eat now, cause we not distract me. I'm ready.
Next word is care.
Go on. Here.
I know you've been hurt. Wait, what?
Understand?
Yeah.
No care than that.
Yeah.
No.
The care not in there?
I don't know none.
Care. Alright, wait.
It's done.
I care for guys. Me is an artist, you know, so I can use my when I sang them.
You can't press it
I
again.
love
what's it?
the song that the gospel song.
Yeah, but I don't care.
I care for you. You care for me.
That's what me I say, but
love-
I need you. I need you.
No,
You need me. You sure that I care for you? Can me that say?
Move on.
You care. Like after a part, after she starts the I.
said.
What? That's it. Call
Oh,
it at the
I pray
judge.
for you. You pray for
That's
me.
it. Call it at the judge.
I love you.
Celebrate.
Rochelle.
That song there. Oh, na.
No, man, no celebrate.
This time we skip to Malou. You know, no celebrate. Skip to Malou.
Find the lip, find the line.
Skip to Malou. Yeah, skip to Malou. Skip to Malou.
No celebrating, eh?
Let's celebrate.
You can't go no
No.
before you. My turn.
Manuel said that she doesn't say.
What?
Come on.
Celebrate.
Jesus celebrate.
Hallelujah. Praise
No,
the Lord.
celebrate good times. Come on.
Call it, look like she
Celebrate.
But she
Jesus
said that she never sing.
celebrate.
Not me, I sing.
What a Marjorie for singer started.
No, but she don't know what she does sing.
I never thought she doesn't know what.
I just
No, but the song where Marjorie sing one song goes up with you now.
I exactly. Me know it's
You don't know it, you know. Me tell you now.
That's why I'm gonna do video with food there, because right now I'm gonna do that bread different.
Alright.
we can't even eat.
Money.
I got more money. I got more money.
Which song now?
That me I wonder.
More, you know the song, right?
More money. Hold on. That's why I said we better know that one. Then. More money.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I think I Sissy Girls. More
Me
money.
a tone girl. I don't know that.
Yeah, you see it on YouTube, right?
A few moments later.
Oh, got money.
But I never did
It's
that
not
sing.
more money.
That's all my memory.
I got money in the bank and I'm still not fit. What song?
Girl, better have my
I
money.
exercise every day and I'm still not fit.
What?
My kids are hungry.
I'm sure they have one with money in the bank.
So,
Can
what
we
the
dance
points? What the points?
Marjorie 2, Rochelle 1, Shade 1. True? Yeah.
Ready? Come, call it.
Although she should get that one. Yeah.
Call it, just think about work.
Where's Chopper?
When I chop them, I chop clean cut, dog.
What?
When I chop them,
I must some squash and splash she sing.
What? Come again.
when I chop them, I chop green.
When
Grass.
they them a chop green grass.
Yeah, something like that.
I want them some people that don't squash and splash.
Yeah,
on
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Me no know
Alright, come.
Alright.
You can give us
When
some
I hand it
decent
too close to
words.
the buzzer. When I sit
You
back.
done? You done?
Sit back.
B.
Which song? Which word?
B.
B as in B-E-E?
Yeah.
E.
No, me can do it.
B-E?
Yeah.
I can, oh God. I believe I can fly.
No.
But I don't. I got touched by a butterfly.
No. I want to be more like
I believe.
No. We need to stop this now.
I'll be here.
Alright. Most of them is so
sit back.
Never.
Never say never. Pick it up, pick it up.
I will fly to forever.
Alright.
Make it right.
hey.
You knock
I'm
me
gonna
down.
get the point.
Wish.
Wait, what? Wish? Oh, alright. I have 10 seconds. Relax.
And about 5 minutes of before.
I wish. But you just want to press the buzzer. Anyway, I wish you were here with me.
Which song that?
One Beyonce song,
With
girl.
me.
I wish
Me no know.
Alright, but don't do the song. I drew it out.
Hot.
What?
Hot. It's hot.
It's getting hot in here, so take off.
Alright, but don't.
Hey.
I cup soup now. What the points? Wait, pause. I'm at my set up.
3, 2, and 1.
Okay, 1.
3.
Girl, break do it. A 3, 2, 1.
No, not that way. 1, 2, 3.
No, girl, me get my point.
Thank you, judge, sir.
Yes, anything the judge said goes for sure.
Walk.
Aye.
I'm walking that line.
No. Walking is different from walk. You got to walk, you got to talk, you got an attitude, boss.
Fine.
That's a good gusto.
But anyway, walk. The game not done yet, man. One song must have been walk. I wanna walk like you. I wanna talk like you. I wanna walk like you, just like you, Jesus. You don't know what's like that. Tack up. Give me my fight, girl. I'm ready for them, you know. Cup soup done. Energy up.
Forever.
No, that's running wheel. No, that's
I want Rihanna do.
umbrella. Alright. No, that's sunshine for.
Yeah, let me forget my song.
Forever
No,
young. I
it's
wanna
not.
be.
I'm not telling. No, that is ready. We'll shine together.
It's together, not
Told you
forever.
I'll be
Here forever. Relax yourself. Umbrella girl. Collect Magnum points and come again. You sit back. Ready for them,
You can be
girl.
under my umbrella.
I'll handle you, baby.
Which song that?
Up here, make up song over there.
No, I said if I don't know it.
Up here, make sure I make
Guys, these are artists.
Gone.
No, Collect, we're not done with the hand. Give it time for tea. I want
Gone
is
too
express.
soon.
No, we
What
need to
song is
handle,
Handle with it. And then how much work she have over there?
Handle.
Yeah. Carry your hand.
No, sir.
Woo!
No song not handle.
Of course.
What am I doing? Song have angle in there?
No, nothing so. After them now.
Me and my do it, uncle.
Handle.
Handle.
No.
Handle. Probably if you sing it, you get that vibe. Handle.
Come here. Next.
Secret.
Take it.
Secret circle. Something.
You know song never so.
Me tired of yeah, something.
Alright, somebody let's go. I don't know any song with secret.
Wait, no, I could process it.
Secret.
Secret lovers. That's who we
Oh
are.
my god, I didn't remember that one.
You do yourself good there.
People let me know.
Give me more points.
Me
I
no
tell you
know
now.
them
I
song
tell you
there.
now, I'm ready. I just sit there go and eat up, get a little energy. Boss, ready, girl.
Right.
Write them a pipe before you
I
carry
tell you, say
on.
Khaled no know no song, you know?
Write them a pipe.
I tell you, say Khaled don't know.
You write them a pipe?
Yeah, me write it.
Feel I'm up on a stand.
What the scores
Every
now?
minute you want to know that.
5.
Who for who? Me and them they were 3?
One man, me not tell them about the score.
You said it, you are lead. You happy now?
Cool.
Reason.
Reason that we're here.
I fear I did it
I'm
first.
upon it first.
No, I finger the under here.
I'm gonna forget my song now.
I know, me know.
Just give me a reason, just a little bit's enough. Just a
Alright.
little
You get it part. Next.
Yeah.
I was song me that I sing.
Cause you are the reason.
So what are we
Oh,
showing
the
there?
song on
Before
paper, my
promotion?
phone. Oh,
And
God.
I'm singing it. I'm again the girl.
Why me not-
So a friend thing, you give the girl the song.
Me ring to one she
because
attack,
I
but-
It's alright.
I'll climb every mountain.
Yeah, obviously she yeah, boss. She get the point. She get it.
I
Yeah,
know
can
that
write it down.
missing, just give me
No,
a
she
reason,
can write
just
it down.
give me
Yeah, efforts. Give Marsha one now. Since I
I'm
that
ready to
way.
get her one too.
Okay.
Come on,
Mandy,
me.
She
take
go
a
here,
time,
ring
Panny.
to
Take
it.
a time, Panny. Buzzer, yeah? Take a time.
Marsha be finger.
Last.
Me a
No.
last man standing.
A last
Right,
is a
shot.
blast.
A last, I said?
Last.
Lost or last?
L-A-S-T or L-O-S-T?
L-A-S-T.
Me are the last man standing. Rifle shot, move the goalie back in.
Next. Nice.
Okay, enough I table my teeth.
Phone.
Me have two.
One phone call we get that mash up
Me have
there.
two. I'm me first person. Me have 2 phones. One for the.
No
one for the
phones. You say 2 phones. One phone call it make it mash up them head.
Is that busy signal? So
One phone call.
One phone call
One
make.
phone call it take to make some
But drop down
and drop
dead.
down flat.
One
Flat,
phone
flat.
call. One phone
Should I
call.
get the point?
One
How did I get it?
One phone call. Telephone.
Fi mash
Thing
up
mash
me
up my life.
When me
Taco.
never get keep rich.
Taco.
Big up yourself.
Don't let them negative because you never say telephone, you say phone.
But I say one phone call. Yeah, over here pluralize the word them. Come girl.
I'm so Shannon.
Them again.
Bed.
Bend over, bend over, bend over. Hey, hey.
What color it say?
Beg, I beg me say
I'ma take you to bed.
Bend me here.
I beg me say BED.
Yeah, I'ma get the part. What you gonna do? What you gonna
Bend
do?
me here.
Yeah,
Oh God, poor Rochelle.
Cut it right fine.
Alright.
Since now do that.
Back up.
Back up, back up. Hey, back it up on the jump.
No, back up. No, she said back up. Excuse me, I said back it up. Excuse your word. The girl said back
So
up.
I say back up on the dump patch.
Back it up.
Me not have to say the it. Back up on the dump patch.
The song no go say no.
I call it a gear the word they pump.
No, it can't
Yeah, the
work.
pine
It
colour.
can't work. It can't work.
No one shall lose
It
night
can't
too
work.
much.
It can't work.
Rochelle, obviously you're the important, so alright, sit back, man.
Sit back, sit back.
Teeth, please.
Cause you're not on.
Cause we have to come from an angle.
So me have to come to.
Can't be the way I go.
Dinner.
Watch it, you see? Cause remember saying no, yeah, use that hand, yeah, use your other hand. Cause you affect my hand.
Let me take you to dinner.
No song no go so.
Wait, let me think.
Dinner. We are those.
Carry you for dinner.
I think that their future, both are their future husband. So
Dinner.
it's alright.
Dinner.
No song no have dinner in night.
Give me some
This year,
dinner.
you have to be the winner.
A winner, yes, I dinner.
A winner,
Oh,
yes,
no.
Oh,
This year me
dinner.
have to be the winner. Cause me not go there without the youth them dinner. I'm in
Yeah,
the money
yeah.
making. Yeah.
That all money in that song there.
It's an all in one.
Back.
Back way.
Back it up on the dump.
What was my song? What was my song?
She used my song again.
Back way.
She get it back way. Bend. No.
Bend over.
But he said back way.
No.
Window.
Let's go window shopping.
Excuse.
I don't know.
I bust the window out your car.
A windows out your car.
I one window me a bus. Give him a pie. That too, one window. By the time you bus take when the police come. You have to be smart, girls. Already.
Shake.
Shake on me. Hey, you know the digital song.
She don't even have a digital phone. Digital shake out.
Yes, digital shake on me. I want to. That can work.
You get her?
It can work.
Shake.
Ouch.
Bless me.
Awesome.
Bless me indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah, one song
Enjoy.
also.
I am blessed.
You are blessed.
I am blessed.
You're not blessed. You're
Every
not
day.
blessed.
I am that's a past tense.
I am blessed.
Hey, when I wake up in the morning, I am blessed. Love's out loud, blessed. Boom.
You want one more?
Yeah. One more, guys. One more. One
is the
more
final
word.
one?
Final word.
Press.
Press on. Oh, that's on the go. I'm press.
Imagine move your
Oh,
eye.
that's on the go.
Press along, saints. Press along.
In God's own. You never know this song.
When you got this song, I'm never knew.
Press along, saints.
Never know
Press
me need to prove
along
myself.
in God's
How
own
much
way.
answer?
Persecution we must fail. Trials and crosses in our way. Odi.
Wanna good?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's the end of our song association challenge. I hope it was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Can I get the points, Judge?
So in the third position we have Rochelle.
How much points?
5.
That's not fair.
5 points.
I'm gonna cheat.
Alright, in second place we have Marge
If I never, why Shadi know that no right?
with 6 points. When I say Shade, know when I love song them, you know.
Whoa. Go ahead.
And in first place we have Shade with 8 points.
8 points we go guys. 8 points.
Not a lot.
Exactly. I mean, it was
That's
a
just 2 more
landslide.
than More
Anyways, them are gonna say me cheat. Anytime I win, them are gonna say me cheat.
Because she make up most of the song them.
When me make up any song, I make up, I admit it, and I'm not getting a pint fee. Alright guys, so that's the end of our song association challenge. As you can see, I came first, of course. Who come second? Woo! And who come third? You don't know.
Still big up yourself.
Big up,
Big up all of the content.
guys, all who the pan team Rochelle, I'm gonna just come over to my team. Cause
No.
look pan her. Look pan her, you know, keep your team. Anyway guys, we're going to do our next video. You'll see this video on Sunday, so stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any other video suggestion that you'd like.
Subscribe, you know.
No. No, she not king. She not king.
No,
Stop it.
what she tell you? Stop it. The video I record. I always hear me not
Can't cut it
I'm
out.
not edit it out. I'm not edit it. Period.
Team Russia, guys.
Guys, make sure you click next video.
Don't
then
give
I'll
up on
rewatch
me.
it.
Next video, our next game. I prep feed from now.
Same.
What to keep our
What?